Hey guys, today we're trying the new Macca's items. The first thing I got is the new Caramello McFlurry. I am so excited to try this because I love caramellos. My Macca's only had the chocolate soft serve, but I thought that would kind of add to it because it's meant to be chocolate and caramel. I'm so excited to try this one. Okay, we have like caramel little chocolate pieces and then the McFlurry. Okay, let's try it. Yum. That is really good. I am such an ice cream girl. I don't think I would ever review ice cream and not like it. That is so yummy.